binayaran ko po siya.
Linggo. Okay. Alam ko kung malate ako. I'm sorry for that. Pero hindi naman po tamang batuhin niyo. Tuloy na tamaan pa po si Bingo. And if that's the kind of training you want, hindi ko...
I was mad kasi patong-patong ang mga problema dito sa warehouse. Sales are down. Pag hindi yung tumaas, we might have to close down. Pumunta ako rito to discuss your presentation. Kasi you had brilliant ideas. At dahil sa mga bata kayo, baka meron kayong mga new ideas na pwedeng makatulong. Pero pagdating ko dito, wala ka. But never mind. Sige, go back to work. Bingo, you come with me. Mag-uusap tayo bago ako umalis.
This is preposterous. Ano na naisipin ng mga tao? That no one from this family can step up?
We need someone compassionate, good-looking, charismatic, yung may instant sympathy.
Bakit hindi na lang artista ang kunin nyo? Pasok na pasok naman yun sa lahat ng mga qualifications na gusto nyo. Because as far as I'm concerned, lahat ng tao dito may tinatagong baho. And one day, baka umalingasaw.
Enough! Gina, will you please cooperate? We're talking about family business here. At kung ano man ang mapag-usapan, it also concerns you.
Kaya I suggest, kahit kayo dalawang Carlo, huwag mo nang mix na please.
Eksena to housing. Bakit ayaw mong tanongin ng anak mo? Because for sure, malaki na namang pasabog ang dala niya.
What are you talking about? Who are you referring to? Gina! Come back!
Yes, son. Let her go. She's like an empty can. Maingay pero wala nang laman. Hayaan mo na siya.
Saan siya nagpunta? Bakit siya naling?
Mahabang kwento po yan, Archie. Pero may kilala sa sekretaryo tao na pwede magbigay ng linaw tungkol sa nakaraan niya.
And, may nalaman pa siya. Nasagot ba yung mga tanong niya?
Si.
Yes.
Sabi.
Bingo! Alam mo na hindi kita binabayaran para sa personal na pinagdaraanan ni Ling.
Alam ko po yun, Archie. Pero nung nakita po siyang umiiyak na takot. Kahit ako gusto kong malaman kung bakit. Kung ano ba talaga nangyari sa kanya. At di po ba, kung sakali, may pakita ko po sa kanya na nagmamalasakit ako. Kayo yung the best example, the best na training, be the best example na nakikisama.
May sasabihin ba kayo?
Hindi na nga, Missy. Kaso, parang wrong timing. Kasi baka pinapagalitan si...
Hindi. Parang best timing, Missy. Gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa'yo.
Mag-sorry na rin ho. Kasi nahusgahan ka namin ng nakawan. Tsaka sa marami pa pong iba.
Pero hindi dahil doon, at hindi dahil sa ginawa nyo, biro mo, baka hanggang ngayon, baka hindi lang si Neko ang nagagamit ni Kida sa mga pagnanakaw niya noon.
Saka nga po ba kami pang ginamit ng tao sa mga lakad eh. Kaya salamat na rin ho, Missy.
Thank you rin sa inyo.
Sige po, trabaho na po kami, Missy.
Let's go, alis na tayo. Oh.
Alis na po tayo?
Yes, aalis na tayo. Di ba I said, let's go, let's move.
Mama, yung master. Magkaya po ata po, ba?
Ano? Subukan mo nga ulit.
Mama, ayaw po talaga mag-start.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Car problems. Kuya, baba ako muna. Sinabihan na kita, huwag kang mangialam. Pero ayaw mo talaga madalas pakiusap. I don't care if you're my brother's mother. If you won't stop, baka matulad ka akin, diba?
I can see you.
On what ground? Huwag mo na gamitin yung batas para pakunti ako. Dahil damay-damay na tayo. Kahit si Carlo, your son. So if I were you, I would shut the hell up.
Galing! Sobrang natadala nila ako sa eksena. Kaya kapag dapat ng luha, talaga nirequest ko sa asawa ko, rewind. Ma-appreciate talaga to ng husband and wife.
I hope that everybody will see the movie. They will really learn a lot to live better and to love better.
Don't miss your chance to rewind. Now on its fourth blockbuster week.
Isang bigay, kabiyak ng puso.
Mamahalin kita habang buhay.
I love you.
Nagmahal. Naku, ma'am.
Bakit hindi ka naiiyak? Hindi, bakit?
Nasaktan.
Ano naman tayo si Marco? Hindi na kita maramdaman! Iniwan mo ako mag-isa!
Hindi ka naman.
Nagloko.
Mahal kita. Mahal na mahal.
Ay, sino pong gusto mo pagbintangan? Hindi nang matatakpan ang lahat na pagkukulang sa akin.
Siya si Juliana, ang asawang pinanggigilan ng lahat.
Kaya,
Nahuli ko kayo ni Alex.
nag-uusap lang kami.
Ay, lahat papaikot kayo natin, Juliana.
Huwag mo akong isisi kung hindi ka na mahal ng asawa mo.
Biglang the teleserye version. Ngayong January 22, 8:45 p.m.
Umalis si Crescente kasama yung mga katauhan niya. Kung ganon, ito na yung tamang pagkakataon para mailigtas natin ang bahay.
Ako, ngayong Miyerkules.
Yan ang mga polis. Wala ang mga polis.
Hindi na makakayang makalapit naman doon. Kasi, nandito na sila Amy.
Baka makuha nila sila yung arawan mo lahat ng lahat ng dyan tayo daw. Huwag mo sila kakayaan.
Day, ang ginit na ko, Day.
Iso, iso.
Tandaan niyo na ba? Ang maginhawang buhay!
Ni Pina, ang breadwinner ng Pampanga at naghahanap siya ng paraan para guminhawa ang kanyang pamilya.
Talaga priority yung love life sa ngayon.
Ito naman si Phil, ang lover boy ng Singapore at hinahanap niya ang nanny na nag-alaga sa kanya.
You now have the address of the Marcy in the Philippines.
When two people are looking for something, what if silang dalawa ang magkaroon ng something?
We haven't found the right girl yet, or have we?
Yes. Pwede ba kitang ligawan?
Be My Lady, Weekdays, 4:40 p.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live.
Talaga yung naisip mong paraan para may pag-aot ang anak natin? Ang magnakaw?
Wala akong kasalanan, pwede ba maniwala ka sa akin? Kaakibat na ba talaga ng pagmamahal ang pamamaalam?
Baka naman kasi pwede hindi na kayo test.
Ito yung birthday wish ni Robby. Gusto niya makasama yung daddy niya.
Kung totoo ang pagmamahal na nararamdaman para sa isa't isa,
Hindi aabot yung pera natin sa sa'yo kukuha!
Gagawa ko ng paraan.
bakit kailangan muna magkasakitan? Ano-ano ang kaya mong gawin para sa pag-ibig?
Ako na ang tatayong ama, pero Robby.
Ilang pagdurusa pa ba ang dapat pagdaanan?
Malaki na kasi sa akin ang dati mo. May kinalaman ba? Sinaki sa pagkawala ni Robby.
Walang hanggang paalam. Weekdays, 5 p.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live. You better watch out. You better not cry. Asia, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe.
Nahulog na siya sa patid. Iniisip niya mo kasi kung yung yan.
Watch mo na.
Remember our goal.
Yes, ma'am. Live and on demand for free. Kumanda ka. Totoo ba nga yun? Kapamilya Online Live. Sa Kulimatis.
Napapitigil para kay Ate Luna. Kaya over ang mga agero ang magpapayad. Wala ka lang kang ikaw na nagpaprotekta sa krimen ng anak mo. Nakatapos na to at ikaw ang talo. Tulong ka na dahil ang agero.
Naniniwala ko wala siya dito.
Sabi ni Archie, wala daw si Zia sumigat. Kasi magkasama kami. Something stable. It's not Zia.
9:30 p.m. Kulimatis.
Gusto makita yun. Which character do you want to portray?
Mag-zoom in na sa character ni Hope.
Bibigyan ka namin ng chick. Paolo Gumata. Action!
Hindi ko kailangan ng tulong. Pero inuusgan mo ko eh. Nakakakakita ang kanila mo sa mundo. Tulungan mo lang ang sarili mo. Honestly. Hindi na ako maalala.
You know naman the essence there.
Wala na po kasi yung mindset ko.
Si Dream Girl ang makakaget ng Dream Bro. Zoomers, 10:15 p.m. Sa sobrang busy natin sa pagkanda,
Sorry, hindi ako nakabili ng personal na gift sa'yo. Kasi
Hindi naman mo silang busy.
nakakalimutan natin, tumatanda na rin ang mga magulang natin.
Kung darating sila, hindi darating. Kung hindi, hindi.
Habang unti-unting nawawala ang alaala niya,
Ba't yan suot mo? Matuwanis eh.
Yung sapatos mo mga. Ha? Yung sapatos niyo po. Nakalimutan niyo ulit, Mami?
maalala kaya ng kanyang mga anak ang mga nagawa niya?
Pag nanay ka, hindi lang yung bahay na ayusin mo, kundi pati buhay ng mga anak mo.
Salamat po! Grabe ang sa'yo ah.
O sadya kayang nakakalim ang puso?
Malaki na ako. Kaya ko na ang sarili ko.
Lahat kayo, mahal mo mahal. Lahat kayo mahal na sa akin.
The Greatest Love, weeknights, 11:15 p.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live. Sa mapagdilaw na mundo,
Ang bababae si Victor?
ang bawat kakapitan,
Ay, hindi ito mo nakalaki. Bantayan mo ang asawa ko.
kapag ang babae naghanap ng iba, emosyonal ang pinagkagalingan niya, pagdudulot ng kapahapakan
May kailangan ako talaga yung pinagkakasama.
Ako ang litrato mo.
at lalaso sa iyong isipan.
Kaya ka magsisinungaling.
Ano mo naisip na gagawin yun ni Ate sa'yo?
Kaya mo puro.
pagaling ko yung katawan mo. Kahit pasag na pasag.
Gusto, hindi ko hayaan kayo ulit.
Sila ang magpapataas ng stress mo.
Ulirang guro, pero hindi ulirang ina.
Feeling mo ang lahat para
Ay, lahat ng mapaikot kayo natin, Juliana.
Sa tingin mo sa dating lang.
The teleserye version ngayong January 22 na 8:45 p.m.
Ay, wala to. Wala yung bagay.
Can I see dito ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Can I see?
Wala. Okay ako.
Baka may sulat on my boobs. Let me see.
Wala na.
Let me check, Bingo. Come on. Please. Just let me check, Bingo. Bingo, just take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Bingo.
Sige na, sige.
Wala mo charge. Dapat na-able tayo ampere. Pero wala ako. Wala. Open. So, open. Ito pa yung tama sa lapitan mo.
Wala.
Ano wala? Meron. It's red.
Kunti lang yan.
It's not konti, Bingo. Baka magpasado. To put ice on this. Sakit ba to? Ito. Sakit ba to? Baka magpasado. Bakit hawak mo kamay ko?
Dito hawak kamay mo.
Hawak na naman ko eh.
Hawak ko kamay mo.
O bakit nahawak mo kamay ko?
Pato.
Pato?
Pato.
Ha?
Pato. Hindi. Yung landlady. Yung nakunta.
Oh, about that, you don't have to worry about that. Wala na rin naman yun.
Kailangan pa rin natin. Tutulungan kita.
Bingo, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. Pero ako na to. Okay, just wait for me. I'll get you some ice.
Ha? Hey, bakit?
Because I don't want to cause you any more trouble.
Hey,
Napatawad mo din nanti.
hindi ka troubled. Mas lalong hindi ka bala sa akin. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi ka nakakaabala sa akin. Yun! Yun ang ibig kong sabihin.
Well, okay. I'm grateful for all your help. Really. But Bingo, ako na to. Wait for me, I'll get you some ice.
Devoted wife.
Inintay ko lang yung food mo. Akala ko ba sweat ang dito?
Silvia, yung allegation.
Ito na, sige. Ganyan na natin.
Hindi pa rin sapat.
Kaya ko namutik, simpuli ka pa, ika. Bakit asawa ko ng kapatid mo? Mas nakakabuti siguro kung we don't see each other lang yung time.
Siya si Silvia. Tamamahan mo ang bigyan ng anak.
Kung hindi kita mabibigyan ng anak, hindi ka magkakaroon sa kahit na sino babae.
Aba, fair na kasama.
Makikita kayo ulit ni Alex. Gusto ko lang malaman kung ilang beses ko sasabihin sa'yo na layuan mo yung asawa ko.
Ngayong January 22 na, 8:45 p.m.
sa mabuting puso.
Kampanyan ng Kuda, Saturdays, 8 a.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live. Si frustrated musikero. Wala ka! Biglang nagiging tito.
Siya ang kapatid at siya ang magiging guardian ng mga batang ito.
Pero teka, hindi na lang pala basta tito. Magiging instant tatay pa siya sa makukulit na bulinggit na to.
Pupunta na po ba tayo sa playground?
Teka, kaya tayo mga bata.
Ay, hindi tayo hinintay.
Kasama rin nga pala sa eksena itong si attorney.
Mas marami ka pang kailangan ayusin, lalo na ngayon may nakaasal ng bata sa'yo.
Kaya ba nilang maging isang family? Hawak kamay.
Saturdays, 10:30 a.m. Sundays, 10:45 a.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live.
Ano ang puhunan mo sa buhay?
Masyado kami mag-asawa. Kung sabi ko, babaguhin ko lahat ang sarili ko at lahat papasukin ko. Aasenso ako.
Itong bahay.
namin mag-asawa. Sipag talaga.
Sipag.
Kasi po kami nag-start. Dati po sticker lang yan.
Isipin nyo So dream namin pagkaroon ng mga sports car. So sabi namin, ba't na lang hindi gumawa na lang? Talagang nag-start kami ng pangarap. Puhula rin hindi ang salapi. Napakarami.
Ikaw ang susi sa iyong tagumpay. May puhunan. Kaya mo! Tuwing Sabado na, alas 5 ng hapon. Technology at social media. Nagbibigay direksyon. Proteksyon.
Are you recording me?
Kagandahan. Think before you. Click, like, share. Every Saturday, 9:45 p.m. Every Sunday, 9:30 p.m. Hashtag Asa. Kwento natin to.
The best of the best, mula noon hanggang ngayon. Live on the ASAP natin to stage.
Ang musika natin to.
Sama ng patuloy na lumalaki pamilya.
ASAP natin to.
World-class Kapamilya singers. The Sunday concert experience that you all deserve.
Tuwing linggo, alas 12 ng tanghali. This enchanting weekend, sabay-sabay nating bisitahin si Alice and her Wonder House.
Ayoko na pong maging close sa kahit sino. Baka pa malaman nila yung video natin eh.
Pero nako, bakit kaya biglang nawawala ang kanyang mommy at daddy?
Nasaan nga pala yung parents mo?
Pag merong ibang nakaalam ng lihim namin, hindi na kami mapapahamak pati si Alice.
Ano ba ang secret ng kanilang family?
Ang pag-ibig ng isang balina ng isa gusto ang magkakagad na supa.
Pinipili ko yung Alice kasi wala kita.
Once Upon a Time presents Enchanted House, Sundays, 3:05 p.m. Premieres January 21 sa Kapamilya Online Live.
Ayan. Pabilin-bilin na Aji. Linisan mo mga to. Everything? Here. Why don't you just kill me? That would be so much better. Oh no! Ang ate, parang pugita lang yan eh. What? Pugita? What's pugita? Yes. Pugita. And the pugita says, win me! No, I can't. Sorry, I really can't. Sus, ate naman ito. Eh, nakabilin-bilinan ni Angie eh. O siya, marami pa akong gagawin. Ano, Christine? Kaya mo na yan. You do it.
Break na ako eh.
Break mo din! I need a break! No. It smells so bad. No, wait. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna freaking die.
Ano? Tapos ngayon tatawag-tawag ka.
Boom, I need my cognac now. As in now. Sige na, padala mo na ngayon. They're staring at me, boom!
Alam ko pa rin mo na ako makita ever again.
You're just gonna buy lang naman. I didn't say magpapakita ako sa'yo. Follow me na lang. I'll pay you.
Eh, di ba may utang ka pa sa akin?
Oh, please. Please, boom. I'm like, nagmamakaawa na eh. I'm begging you. Don't be so heartless.
Tigas naman ang mukha mo. Ako pa yung walang puso.
Wait, look. You're just gonna leave the booze in that location and then I'll leave the 5K there. And then another 5K for today. How about that?
Hindi. Hindi, ayoko. May racket ako. Ha? Tsaka hindi ko yung priority ko. Alam mo, mas maganda kung papayaran mo na sa akin yung 5K ko. Gusto tayo doon.
Fine. I'll make bayad that whatever racket of yours, but whatever that costs you, I'll double it. How about that?
Tugong ka din eh, no?
Nakala mo sa akin mo pera?
Yeah? You're like really poor. Kami lang beggar ka na. Oh, I know, you need the money, di ba? Money!
Ewan ko sa'yo, bahala sa buhay mo.
Where's Carlo? Dumating na ba siya?
Wala pa naman.
Damn it!
Sinabihan na kita huwag kang mangyayang. If you don't stop, mamatulad ka na.
Alam ko ano sinasabi mo.
Ang sarap, darling. Nasa yung wedding ring mo?
Naiwan ko sa bahay.
Nakita ko yung suot mo kanina.
Pero naiwan ko nga sa bahay.
Nakakagigil.
Nahuli ko kayo ni Alex.
Nag-uusap lang kami.
Nakakagalit.
Pinagbibintangan mo nagsisinungaling. Wala ka naman palang alam eh.
Ulit-ulit na. Nagsisinungaling pa rin kaya. Tatanggi pa.
Walang katotohanan sa sinasabi ni Victor.
Wala makakalma kayong gabi.
Kabahan ka na. Wala ka talaga. Wala ka talaga nilaliting ng pagsisisi.
Sa tingin mo may laban ka.
The teleserye version. Ngayong January 22 na, 8:45 p.m. Sa huling Martes.
Ako titigil para kay Ate Luna. Kinupugit ang mga agero magpagdayan. Wala ka lang sa umpisa. Ikaw na ang nagpoprotekta sa krimen ng anak mo. Wala akong kasalanan. Sinungaling ka. Tapos na to at ikaw ang talo. Sumuko ka na, Zaira Agero.
Naniniwala ko wala siya dito.
Sinasabi ni Archie, wala daw si Zia sa mga kasi magkasama. Something's telling me it's not Zia.
Nandito na ako. Isang bibig, kabiyak ng puso.
Mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Ewan ko ba niya kay Victor at Juliana? Ang babata pa, nagpakasal na kagad.
Balita ako kagabi ang tawa niya. Hindi mo pwede nyo na lang yung premyo.
Hindi kasi ako nang babasa sa babae.
Ako mo rin hindi ka nagagawa ng gulo. Tingin mo sa sarili mo, mas matalino ka sa akin.
Ano, sexy ba, ha?
Hindi ka ba talaga titigil?
Hindi, bakit? Ano? Iniwan mo ako.
Pangako, wawasakin ang panluloko.
You may now eat the price.
Bantay ng iyong asawa mo. Lagi tayong sumasakay ng barko. Hindi mo alam kung ano ginagawang milagro niya.
Are you Punjabi or what's it called? South? What does that mean? So you're
I can't remember the word right now. Tamil, alright. So Hindi. Are you Hindu? Nice. Excellent. Yeah, my guru Paramahansa Yogananda is from Gorak. Very nice. Yeah, I'm not a very great disciple right now. I shouldn't be laughing. It's not funny, but we all go through our stages, I guess. Pandemic closed our meditation center for almost 2 years. Oh, awesome. Do you practice meditation and going to the temples and all that, Tiaga? What's Tiaga mean? Fire? No, that's not fire. I know we're from the Giri branch, which is mountain branch, but Tiaga, I don't know what that means. Batman! Nice, haven't seen you in a while either. What the heck? People are popping in that I haven't seen in like weeks, months. Tiaga means tiger? Oh, destroy. You won't destroy the console by repasting it. Like, I have so many videos of me taking apart these consoles. Just take it apart, take the board out, wipe off the thermal compound, apply new on top of the IHSs, and put it back together. The real problem is you want to delid them. That is more difficult. I do not fly bridge, no. Oh, Tiaga, good for you, man. Yeah, need to meditate, man. I need to as well. I shouldn't be preaching because I'm a bad example right now for meditation. My spiritual life is definitely taking a smack in the face. I've devoted most of my energy back into just work. I'm a workaholic, and it's on my mind. God is on my mind, but in practice, pretty terrible right now. But God bless you, brother. Sat Chidananda. Om Tat Sat. Oh, right on, Adam. Listen, Jason. Just because I've decided to imbibe the golden liquid tonight doesn't mean you can make fun of me, man. Hey, Tiaga, join our Discord server. You're more than welcome to share your videos. Join our Discord. You type !Discord. !Discord. You can join our Discord server. You're more than welcome to share. Just make sure you post it in the correct channel if you're not familiar. And if you're not familiar with Discord, you should definitely pop into Discord. Hey, don't be jealous, Jason. Just, you know. I'll do what I want, Jason. I'm gonna drive home drunk and drive over to your house, Jason. We're gonna have a swinging time. Let's see, what RSX was this? This was 24. This is in progress right now. Mess with me tonight, Jason. I'll kick your butt. 62. Wow. So I'm using a Jovi Re-8500, which is over here. Nice, Jason. Yeah. That's okay. I get it. Most of the RSXs that I remove are from PS3 Slims that are not working properly. So let's put it that way. I don't just take like straight up good PS3 Slims that don't have any issues and just remove the RSX. For the most part, I do remove them from a lot of PS3 Slims, and like 20% of the RSXs that I remove from Slims are probably from like fully working no problem Slims. But the 80% of the ones that I remove are not from Batman, from PS3s that are good. But I appreciate you, Batman. Yeah, no, it's cool. You are free to express your opinion about what I do that you don't particularly like, as long as it's with class. Like, I think anybody is free to share their opinion about anybody else or their processes or anything, as long as they do it with respect. It's okay that people don't agree, and it's okay that people don't think that, you know, the process that I do is the way that they would do it. As long as they do it with class, that's respectable, and everyone should have a different opinion. That's America, you know? That's how the whole world should be. It's not just America. Everyone should be able to have a free opinion and not be bigoted. You know? And that's the problem with the last few years, is that all these bigots came out, you know? You had to think exactly like them, and if you didn't think like them, then you were shunned, and you were put on the side, and you were ridiculed, and you were canceled, and all that stuff, just because you had a different point of view. And that's the problem. That's the problem with the last few years. So, you know what I mean? Like, the whole last couple of years was a whole case of division for everyone. It was absolutely ridiculous. You know, people... Yeah, I just don't even want to get into it. I don't even want to get to it because I'm going to kill the vibe. But God bless the world. God bless America. God bless every nation. God bless every person. Everyone is family. Like, let's just do this, you know? Drink a beer. Let's do it. 62 Celsius and cooling. Let's go. America. Oh, that's the sound I need to get. Hold on, I got a sound clip to add. I'm gonna get one. Did it play? Didn't play. Oh, that's hella quiet. I don't know if that's going to get me copyright banned, because that's pretty close. That's over 7 seconds. Let's see. Freedom is the only way. I guess, let me see. Can I download this one? God bless Corona. Alright, Nate, I can take that. Download sound, you turd nuggets. Not gonna let me do it, is it? There it goes, okay. Data, soundboard, oops. Team America. Save. Soundboard. Alright, that's too much. Let me see. We chop it down to here. Chop it down to here. There we go. Alright, hold on. I think that's probably right where I want it to be. Alright. Alright, we're at 48 Celsius and cooling. We're at about 10 Celsius left, and then we'll go. Oh, you know what? Batman, if you type like dots and slashes and stuff like that. Hey, Phase Halide. That's good. Yeah. China. I do. Yeah. Send me a sound clip from that, Anthony. I don't know. That one is a little bit offensive if I'm using it in the context that I would be using it in. So it's funny when he says it, but if I were to use it, it would just be offensive. Like, I have nothing against China. Well, I'm not going to say that. Yeah, I'm not going to say that. But the people. I don't have anything against the people of China. But I do have something against China. But it isn't the people of China. The people are... I feel bad for the people of China. Dude, I'm getting Russian bots. I thought it was only like the... not Russian. I'm getting German bots posting comments on my... Yeah, like, fuck the Chinese government and fuck the Chinese, like, shit that's going on over there. But, like, fuck that shit. But poor people, I feel bad for them. I mean, honestly, it's what's gonna happen here if Americans don't wake up and stand up for their fucking rights. That's what's gonna happen here. And it's slow. It's a slow encroach upon American culture and American standards. But that's what's gonna fucking happen here in like 50 years if we don't wake the fuck up. Is what's happening in China where the people they're just abused to shit. That's what's gonna happen here. It better not. And if so, I hope I'm dead before that happens because I would probably go crazy. I actually started watching this new guy on YouTube that I found, and he's a First Amendment auditor, and his videos are awesome. It just shows how ignorant a lot of Americans are, and how much they are ignorant to the rights and freedoms that we have, all based on the Constitution and the laws that are put in place to protect our freedoms, and how ignorant they are of them, and how they actually actively try to squash them and destroy them, and how ignorant a lot of people are. So I forget his channel. I just started watching it last night, but they're First Amendment auditors, and they go out and they actually protect our First Amendment and freedom of speech, and it's awesome. Pretty much, Q's, yeah. We're at 38. Let's do this. But yeah, it's pretty sad what has happened in the last few years, in my opinion. I haven't been big on it. I started getting involved, and then I decided, you know what, that's not my place. I'm not political. I'm just going to be the booter. And so I'm just putting all my time into this. I know I talk a lot right now, but I'm not interested in any of that stuff anymore. I'm just doing my thing here. Videos. You can drop small files, Tiaga, or you could upload the video to somewhere and then share the link. But our server doesn't allow for large files, unfortunately. We need more people to boost it in order to get upgrades for our Discord server. Yeah, I don't know. I'm partial. I'm half and half with Alex. I don't like his attitude. He's a little too, I don't know, like angry. He's a little too angry. I don't mind some of his stuff, but I watch more sane people than Alex Jones. I mean, some of his stuff's not bad, but I just can't stand watching his videos because he's always fucking yelling and screaming and I'm just like, dude, shut up. Relax, man. Take a deep breath. Relax. Chill out. You know, like, hey, what's up, Captain Dobie? Yeah, right? So, Captain Dobie, I watched one last night where the auditors, he went to Colorado and he actually sued the Colorado state or whatever, federal or whatever, for him being his rights being abused, and he won. He got $10,000 and he donated it all to charity. Awesome. Awesome. God bless that auditor. Yeah, he is hella funny though, I will say. He's gonna have an effing heart attack though. Alright, so we don't need to do the voltage mod right now. We're just gonna go ahead and do the resistor mod and slap this thing back together. Yeah, nah, it don't matter. I don't think voting matters anymore. They have too many people that are paid and that sway the vote, and they have. I'm not even getting involved into that because I don't see a point anymore. And I was actually talking to somebody about this today, and what I think is, since it's totally corrupt, I think that they need to change, at least until we get our democracy under order and we have like actually a democracy again, and it's not being screwed up by these rich people putting money into politics and media that are swaying, and they're paying people to collect votes and to do crazy shit. Like, until that stops, I think that somehow the voting for a president or for people in office or whatever, it needs to be changed somehow temporarily until like the corruption is like flushed out. That's what I think. But I don't know. Who am I? I really don't know anything that's really going on. So yes, this IHS is loose, and so is this one. They're both delidded. Except for this one's stuck on right now, but it is delidded. I delidded both of them. Yeah, I mean, I just think that right now our system is so corrupt, and nobody really truly knows what's going on, that it needs to be